To create or modify net asset accounts, you want to go into the Accounting module, go into the Chart of Accounts. Under Account Type, select Net Assets. If there is a category, you want to select the Unrestricted Net Asset category. And from here, I want to create a net asset account or modify the net asset account called Unrestricted Net Assets. You want to make sure that all of your net asset accounts have a checkbox in the fund account. If I want to create a new net asset account and I want it to be a restricted net asset account, I'll select the category Permanently Restricted Net Assets, and I will click on New Account, or I've already have one created here called Restricted Net Assets, and notice the checkmark in Fund is selected. Once you have the required net asset accounts created, the next step is to go into your funds. You will either create funds or modify the funds that you already are in the list. So for my general fund, I want to make sure that it's associated with the proper net asset account. So general fund is supposed to be associated with my unrestricted net asset account. All other information is FYI. You want to make sure that the fund is checked as active, and you also at this point can attribute the fund to the appropriate campaign if your campaigns have already been created in the program module. I will save that. I also want to make sure that my gift in kind fund has been created and associated with the net asset account Unrestricted Net Assets. In addition, I want to make sure it's flagged as active as well as a check mark in the gift in kind box. If I have any restricted funds, I want to make sure that the restricted funds are associated with my net asset account Restricted Net Assets. All other information is FYI. And I want to make sure that, again, it's associated with the proper campaign. It's flagged as active, and in this case, I want it flagged as restricted as well.